How to sign in to your Apple ID or your iCloud account on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign in or log in to your Apple ID or your iCloud account. So to do that, first of all, go to settings, and then on the top side you can see the option sign in to your iPhone. Simply tap on it, and then it will ask you to first of all enter the email address of your Apple ID or your iCloud account. So all you have to do is simply type it in over here. Now once you've done that, tap on the option next, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to enter the password of your iCloud account or your Apple ID. So simply enter that over here. And once you've done both of those, tap on the option next, which is again on the top right corner of your screen. And now it'll send a two-factor authentication to the phone number associated with your Apple ID. So simply enter the code over here. And once you've entered the code, it'll say signing into iCloud. So all you have to do is simply have some patience and then wait for it to completely sign in. And now you'll have to enter the passcode of your iPhone. So simply enter that over here. And there you have it. So that is basically how you log in or sign in to your Apple ID or your iCloud account on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.